Again with a local breaking news alert. A Hamilton County grand jury has indicted juvenile court judge Tracie Hunter.
Hunter faces 8 counts, which include tampering with evidence, forgery, and theft in office. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsch has been investigating allegations of problems involving Judge Hunter for several months now. Jeff joins us live with more on today's indictment. Jeff.
Well, I've been in town a long time, and I cannot remember a seated judge in Hamilton County ever being indicted, at least not in the last 30 years that I can recall. 2 special prosecutors and a grand jury have been investigating Judge Hunter, and the grand jury returned an 8-count indictment this morning. Hunter has been in the middle of controversy since taking the bench in mid-2012. She's been sued by news media outlets, cited for contempt of court by appeals court judges, and now this. According to a statement from the special prosecutors Merlin Shiverdecker and Scott Croswell, the 8-count indictment charges Hunter with tampering with evidence, forgery, having an unlawful interest in a public contract, and theft in office. The tampering with evidence charges and forgery charges involve the alleged backdating of court documents. The public contract charge relates to her brother's employment with the county. And the theft in office involves, quoting the special prosecutors now, Judge Hunter's unlawful expenditure of public funds to pay unauthorized filing fees with the Ohio Supreme Court. This is the indictment here. I'll show it to you in a second here. And I mean, this is just amazing that a judge, a seated judge, has been indicted. Of course, you know, people get indicted all the time, not guilty until proven otherwise. Hunter's office says that they will be issuing a response, and one of the judge's biggest supporters, Bobby Hilton of National Action Network, called this, I got to get the quote here, an absolute travesty and part of a continuing effort to politically assassinate Judge Hunter. So this is going to just be huge for a long time. And she will have to go, here's a judge who's on one side of the bench, she's going to have to be on the other side entering an appeal. I mean, a plea. A plea.
And what happens to her cases right now? Do we know yet?
That's a really good question. I mean, like I said, you know, not guilty until proven guilty. But on the other hand, you know, how do you have a judge who is sitting there passing judgment on somebody when she is under this huge cloud? So the question is she going to have to be replaced at least temporarily? Will she have to step down just for now while this case goes on? You know, cases like this could last months. If there's appeals, years. So, I mean, her bench is really in limbo right now.
All right.
A little background here. Tracie Hunter was elected to Hamilton County Juvenile Court November 2010, but disputes over provisional ballots led to a court battle which lasted until July of 2012. Judge John Williams was originally declared the winner, but Tracie Hunter won her court fight and the race. Hunter was sworn in on May 25th of 2012 for a 6-year term set to expire in 2018. Hunter received an undergraduate degree from Miami University in 1988 and her JD from the University of Cincinnati College of Law in 1992. Before joining the court, Hunter worked with Pro Kids and served as a contracted attorney with the Public Defender's Office. She opened a private practice in 1994.